It's 95 degrees here in Michigan today, and it is a very hot, sticky day. And I'm here today to tell you 3 things you should check before you call that air conditioning repairman. One of them could save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. And since we're already outside, let's go take a real close look at what I'm talking about. Here in Michigan, there's a lot of cottonwood constantly floating around in the air, sticking to the grass, and also even your condenser. And if you don't get that condenser clean and keep it clean, it is going to prevent airflow from being sucked into the side and pulled out the top and prevent your condenser from working properly. So if your air conditioning is not cooling the way that you feel it should be, go outside, take a look at your condenser, and the simple, easy fix to that is just quite simply take your garden hose and spray everything out of those vents. Spray them straight down and get them nice and clean to make sure you get good airflow. Now that we're inside, one of the next things you're going to want to check is the filter for your air conditioner. Cleaning your air filter is probably one of the most overlooked jobs that anybody does. Just to show you, this is my air filter after only 3 months of use on my air conditioner. And here's a brand new one in the box. And are you ready to see this? That is how dirty it is. You see that discoloration? And that can cause all kinds of problems with your air. And it can prevent it from cooling your house efficiently. So if you're not getting the cooling that you want, check that out. Replace it as soon as possible. I recommend changing it at least every 3 months, at a minimum every 6 months. Now I want to tell you one of the most important things you can possibly do, and it can save you thousands of dollars. And this is why I say that. Check your thermostat. Most houses now, they come with batteries in the thermostat, and if the batteries aren't working, neither is your thermostat. Now let me try to explain why I say this is so important to check the batteries in your thermostat. Sometimes when the batteries start to get low, it doesn't have enough of a signal to kick it back to tell your air conditioning to turn on. And it's as simple as that. But I've actually had friends, and I've had somebody try to do it to me as well. All it was is the batteries in my thermostat were bad, and I had someone try and tell me that they needed to replace the motherboard in my central air unit, and it was going to cost me $1,200. And all it was the batteries, guys. Don't get ripped off by hokey HVAC people, and make sure of anything else. If you don't change your filter, and if you don't clean all the gunk out of your condenser, at least always check the batteries in your thermostat to make sure they are working, because it could save you a ton. Anyway, that's all for this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to check out this playlist here.